to my channel Therichpost. Myself Ajay, and I hope you are doing great. So guys, in this working video I'm going to show you the Vtiger CRM. Here is the Vtiger CRM from you can get the Vtiger. It's free CRM, and also I have implemented the Hop UI admin dashboard theme inside my Vtiger, and I have just done the finish the dashboard page only, the sidebar, header and footer. So friends, before showing you working demo, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. And friends, if you will have any kind of queries, session or requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my blog. My blog therichpost.com, contact us page. You will get my email ID, WhatsApp number and Upwork ID as well. Also, you will get multiple free things on my blog. I am full-time freelancer, you can hire me as well. See, and now back to the theme implemented inside my Vtiger CRM. And see, works well with the header, toggle sidebar works well. The content section works well. There are a lot of scripts, styles and HTML that I have embedded. The final results, it works well. See friends, works like charm. Also, this is works well. See, dark and light blue works well. See guys, and after it I will come with more stuff. And again I must say, if you will have Vtiger work, then feel free to contact me anytime. I have also developed the Vtiger modules as well, like theme changes and lots of customization as well. So friends, this is for today, and in the end I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you, have a nice day, take care, bye bye.